Good morning, class 12. Girls, proceeding with accountancy, issue of shares. We proceed with issue of shares. This is a question I've located from your textbook. You may follow the question from here or look for the same question in your textbooks. The question reads, X Limited issued for public subscription 40,000 equity shares, 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, pay at a premium of 2 per share. Premium is 2 per share, payable as under 3 on application 4, allotment rupees 5 including premium. Including premium means 3 plus 2. I've written here 3 plus 2. And on calls 3 per share, and on calls 4 on application, 3 plus 2 on allotment, and 3 rupee per share on first call. And that is how 10 rupees share for 12 per share at a premium of 2. Then they say applications were received for 60,000. The issue has been made for 40,000 shares. Applications have been received for 60,000 shares. Allotment was made pro rata onto the applicants of 48,000 shares. I've underlined here, allotment is being made to applicants of 48,000 shares. That means 12,000 shares are being refused. The remaining applications being refused. How many remaining? 60,000 minus 48. That means 12,000 applications are being refused. These 12,000 applications have paid 4 rupee per share and they are being refused. Further, the question says, money overpaid on application was utilized towards sum due on allotment. We are making the pro rata allotment. The excess amount that has been received on these 48,000 shares has been used for allotment at the time when the allotment money has to be received. Proceeding, then they say Shri Manoj, to whom a shareholder, to whom 1500 shares, 1500 shares were allotted. I have underlined the word here. You have to mark the lines here. If the question reads 1500 shares were allotted, failed to pay allotment money and the call money, and then another shareholder, Shri Hussain, to whom 2000 shares were allotted, failed to pay the call money. These shares were forfeited and all the forfeited shares sold to all the forfeited shares, and all these forfeited shares are being reissued at 8 per share. Now let us proceed with the question. As the question says, see, it will be easier if we write it here. 40,000. Okay, we proceed with the application here only first. The bank to application 60,000 into 4, rupees 2,40,000. Equity share application, 2 share capital. This is the excess amount, 2,40,000 that has been received. How much can we capitalize? We can capitalize only that much that has been called, 40,000 shares into 4 rupee per share. 4 rupee per share. We can capitalize only this much. We cannot capitalize on application. We cannot accommodate more than this. 40,000 into 4 can be capitalized to the extent. Then 12,000 shares have been refused. 60,000 applications were received. 48,000 shares have been allotted. That means remaining 12,000 shares have been refused. 12,000 पे आया कितना हुआ है हमारे पास? 12,000 into 4 rupee per share. 4 rupee per share has been received. So this 12,000 into 4 rupee per share, 48,000 will be refunded, will be refused back. So when it is refused back, to bank account. And the remaining amount, the balancing figure, will be adjusted towards allotment. And this comes to rupees 32,000. It will be adjusted towards allotment. Adjusted means when we ask for allotment money to be paid, at that time this 32,000 will assume to be not received, but it will be collected. Then allotment becomes due. Allotment for all the 40,000 shares into 5 per share. Allotment is 3 plus 2, 5 per share. 3 on allotment and 2 on premium, security premium reserve account. Allotment becomes due. Now bank to allotment. This is the difference in the question now. For this type of oversubscription, where oversubscription is there and some shares are getting reissued after that, and then the forfeiture also is happening with oversubscription. At that time we have to see how much money has been adjusted on allotment, how much money has been received on allotment. See, some money had been received here only, some money has not been received on the type of forfeiture, some money is not received. तो आया कितना हमारे पास? For that we make working notes. इस question के लिए there are 3 working notes that are required. Yes, 3 working notes. Working note A for the excess money that has to be received. So working note A, the excess. Working note A is to find out the excess amount received. Excess received from the shareholder whose shares are getting forfeited. So for this we have to see how much excess has been received. They say that his shares, this is the first, we are taking the shareholder Manoj. How much has been allotted to him? Shares allotted to him are 1500. We have to find out the excess. That means we need to know how much he had applied for. So we have to find it proportionally. If the shares that were allotted, from allotted we say, if the shares allotted were 40,000, if allotted were 40,000, the shares applied were 48,000. This is very clearly given. The oversubscription rate is very clearly given to us in the question. So if allotted is 1, applied must have been 48,000 upon 40,000. If applied are, if allotted are 1500, the applied will be this into 1500. So we cancel this and we come to know here it comes to 1800. That means the excess, the number of shares that were applied are rupees. These shares have been applied and these shares have been allotted. That means when he applied for 1800 shares, 1500 shares were allotted. That means the money that has been excess received is on 300 shares. So on these 300 shares at the rate of 4 rupees per share, rupees 1200 has been received excess. That is the excess amount received on forfeited shares. So we are taking only the forfeited shares for non-receipt of allotment. The forfeiture is happening for allotment only for Manoj. I repeat, when allotted has been given, you keep the allotted this side. The category that has been given is to the 40,000, 48,000, to the applicants of 48,000, 40,000 were allotted. Allotted is given, applied has to be found out. You keep for the main category say 40 inside and applied outside. Allotted is given, keep allotted inside and applied outside. When applied is given to you and allotted has to be found out, there also these type of questions are also there. Then you keep 48,000 this side and 40,000 this side. If allotted were 40,000, must 48,000 were applied. If allotted are 1500, the how many shares must have been applied by him? 48,000 upon 40,000 into 1500, 1800 shares have been applied. So that now we come to know this person Manoj, this shareholder, had applied for 1800 shares and he was allotted 1500 shares. That means excess money is received by him on 300 shares at the rate of 4 rupees per share. On allotment 1200 has been received. Now then this is the first working note. Second working note B. For these questions 3 working notes I told you. Then we come to B working note. This is to find out the amount not received. Amount not received on these cancelled shares. On these shares, on these 1500 shares, how much amount has not been received? How much is due? The amount due is on these 1500 shares 5 rupees per share. 3 plus 2, 5 rupees per share. That means 7500 is due. The excess not received, the working note A minus not received is 1200. That means how much in total has not been received is 6300. Total amount due on all the shares is on 1500 shares is 5 rupees per share, 7500. Money that has not been received, the excess amount received from applications at that time is 300 or rupees 1200. So we come to know amount not received. This is the working note for amount not received on these shares, rupees 6300. Last working note, this is for the last entry, the main entry, bank to allotment के लिए. So this amount, this working note, this carries out the total amount that is received. The amount received on allotment, the total amount received on allotment, bank to allotment वाली entry के लिए. So total amount that due is the total amount due on allotment on this will be rupees 40,000 into 5 rupees per share. That means 2 lakh is the total amount that is due. Excess, the amount that has not been received, amount not received. No, first we take application. Amount received on application. The amount that has received on application, that is the first working note, that 32,000, that excess amount received, the application money. This application money. The amount that was received on application, this 32,000 is received on application, the balancing figure. That we thought that we have received on application, we will adjust on allotment later. This has been received. So now we subtract this amount. This already has been 2 lakh is due. 32,000 has already been received. If 32,000, that means how much is yet to be received? 1,68,000 is yet to be received. Out of this 6,300 is not received. That means how much is actually received? The net amount of 161,700. This is the net amount received. And this will go to that entry, bank to allotment. This is the amount that will go to bank to allotment. Very important adjustment. Working note, 3 working notes for the question. Working note A, to find out the excess that is received on only the forfeited shares. We will use this again. Later also this will be used. This amount will be used for forfeiture entry also. Then amount not received. Working note B is for amount that is not received on this, on these forfeited shares only. Working note A and B are for only the forfeited shares. And working note C is for the net amount that is getting received on allotment on all the shares. Total amount that is on all the shares. We have found out 1,61,300. Now let us see how the question proceeds. The question says here, bank to allotment. Here, bank to allotment, that is that 161,700. That is the working note, that working note C that we found out. Then the first call is getting due. The money that is getting received on first call. Now first call also is not due, not received from these shareholders. On 2,000 shares, first call is not received. That means first call is not received. इनसे तो पहले नहीं आई first call और इनके भी नहीं आई. Hussain and Manoj both did not pay the first call. That means first call is not getting received from 3,500 shares at the rate of 3 per share. So first call is not getting received by 10,500. Total 1,20,000 में से 10,500 not received. The net amount that is received is 1,09,500. Then next, now we come to the entry of forfeiture. It is very clear now. The entire working has been done. Share capital, the net amounts that are getting 2,000 Hussain ke and Manoj ke, 1,500 Manoj ke, 3,500 into 10 rupees per share called upon forfeiture. Security premium 2 rupees per share on these shares, 1,500 share into 200 सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम तो अलॉटमेंट पे ही है. अलॉटमेंट इज नॉट रिसीव्ड ओनली फ्रॉम मनोज. Allotment working note share allotment पे money not received on allotment, that working note B 6,300. I told you it will be used again. This working note B 6,300. Then share first and final call. The first and final call money not received on first and final call is from all the shares. 3,500 shares into 3, that is rupees 10,500, and share forfeiture is balancing figure. Then these shares are getting reissued. Reissue की entry very simple. All the shares are getting reissued. They get reissued at whatever amount they tell you. 3,500 shares into 8 rupees per share. The discount on reissue 2 rupees per share is discount on 3,500 shares. That is adjusted from forfeiture account. And then this amount of capital reserve, that is 21,200 पहले ही था forfeiture में. 7,000 is the discount that has been given. Remaining 14,200 transfer to capital reserve. And the question is done. I hope we are clear. Okay, we proceed after this.